Have you ever wanted to change a document into a document in a new folder in Scrivener 3 for Windows? Does that sound unlikely? Hi, my name's Juliet, and I suspect more of you will find this useful than you at first think. Okay, Scrivener 3 has this feature where you can turn what was simply a document into a document within a new folder, saving you the hassle of creating a new folder and moving the document into it. This can be done by selecting the document, right-clicking and selecting New Folder from Selection. This could be particularly useful if, for example, you don't know where you want to put your chapters until you've finished writing your book. And it isn't just a feature for one document to one folder. You can select multiple documents and have them appear in one folder. Now that sounds more useful, doesn't it? And the best thing is, those documents don't even have to be next to each other. Of course, if your scenes or sections aren't in order, you will have to reorder them. But this could save you some time and streamline the process a little. If you're interested in finding out how to make some of the folders in your binder stand out, why not check out this video next?